In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove widgets on your WordPress website. So as you can see, this is the default WordPress website. This is my website and I haven't edited anything. And as you can see, here are a lot of widgets that are included with the standard theme. I want to delete everything of this, and if you want to delete this as well, you have to do the following thing. The only thing that you have to do is you have to log into your WordPress account and go to the website itself. Then go to customize up here, this one, customize. You want to click on this, and then you can see all different options up here. So then you want to go to widgets, blog sidebar, and as you can see, this is the search widget, recent post widget, and all of this is all of this. If you want to delete this, click on the widget and hit remove. So it's very simple, just hit remove for every widget, just like I'm doing, and this will delete every widget of your website. So as you can see, I deleted every widget on my WordPress website and then hit publish, and now it's published, and this is just how the site looks right now. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.